Hello everyone, it's me Himangshu and welcome to Ramble and Curry. Today let me show you how spring is welcomed in Netherlands and how the entire atmosphere becomes so colorful. In this video I'm going to give you a small tour of the tulip farms in Netherlands and also make you visit the world famous Keukenhof Garden. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do share your feedback in the comment section. The famous tulip fields in Netherlands are blooming in spring. But when you want to see the bright colors of the tulip fields, you'll have to plan your trip very calculatively. Difficulty here is that the weather is an important factor in determining when the tulip fields bloom. So it becomes very important to place a close attention to the forecasts published in various forums. Tulips growing on the tulip fields are mostly grown for the flower bulb and not for the flower itself. Most tulip fields are therefore headed after 2 or 3 weeks of flowering, so that more energy can go to the flower bulb instead of the flower. When thinking of tulips in the Netherlands, Keukenhof Tulip Garden immediately comes to mind. The tulip season stretches out until the end of May when the Keukenhof closes. Mid-April is probably the best time to go as most of the flowers will be in full bloom. If you have enjoyed watching the video, then kindly hit the like button as it helps YouTube's algorithm to find this video. And if you're interested in seeing more such travel videos, then consider subscribing to the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. This year, the Keukenhof Garden opened its door on March 24th and the end of the season was on May 15th. It's the best day out among the tulips near Amsterdam. Every year, more than 7 million flower bulbs are planted by hand in the autumn to flower in spring. There is a variety of over 700 different tulips, a unique and unforgettable experience for everyone. The flower park has 32 hectares full of flowers. There are also spectacular flower shows, surprising inspirational garden, unique artworks, and wonderful events. Every year, the flower park is dedicated to a specific theme. The inspirational garden, events, and artwork are all adjusted accordingly. The theme for 2022 was Flower Classic. It reflected the fact that flowers have been part of our life for centuries. Flowers are used as classical symbols in art, architecture, and design. As the saying goes, that rose symbolizes love and the tulip symbolizes for the new spring.